Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the Altroz head unit firmware and Android Auto compatibility, because mismatches block the link. Plug a good USB-C cable into the car and your phone. Use the phone's charging port marked for data. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location. Do not enable developer USB debugging unless instructed. Once connected, grant the prompts on both devices. You'll see the Android Auto welcome screen. Tap to accept permissions and allow contacts and messages access so voice and navigation work. Once the welcome screen appears, choose Android Auto on the Altroz display and pick your phone from the Bluetooth list. You must allow notifications, microphone, and contacts on the phone. This enables voice commands and messaging. If the head unit offers display or touch response options, set them to match your phone for smoother visuals. Make sure Do Not Disturb Driving is configured so messages don't distract you. If navigation is slow, close background apps on the phone and restart Android Auto to refresh the connection. You finish by testing Google Maps routing, media playback, and the OK Google voice command. Confirm steering wheel controls map to functions. If you see lag or a blank screen, swap to a certified cable first, then restart the phone and the Altroz head unit. Make sure both Phone OS and Android Auto app are up to date, and check head unit firmware. If issues persist, reset the infotainment network or Bluetooth settings and repair the phone. This clears stuck profiles and often resolves stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.